Hello, this is TJ from Fat Boys Garden, and I'm going to give you an update on my raised bed. And I'm going to do this with the help of my grandson, Mr. Tyler Sanders.
I'm the third TJ.
You're the third TJ. You're right. You're right. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to show you what we got planted here. We have some onions in there. Can you show us the onions, TJ? Show us the onions. That one, and what's the other one? That one, and where's the other one?
These are here, but this is garlic.
Nope, that's onions. And next to it is what? Garlic. And then over here we have the leeks that my son has propagated, and they're actually growing. Those have been in there now for a while. They've been in there about 3 weeks now. And when they first got started, let's see if we can get in a little bit closer. Right there where you see that white at, that's where they started from. And now look at how much taller they are. And they are just growing, growing, growing. And so we're going to see if they're going to continue to grow. And I'm just really surprised because my son is a vegetarian. And so he eats a lot of this stuff that he's planted, which is fine with me because, as you all know, I don't eat much of what I grow. I grow it for the sake of growing.
That's my uncle.
And over here, Tyler, you want to come over here and show us the blueberries? Mm-hmm. Okay, we got our blueberries here.
Right here.
Yep.
Wait, these ones, the yellow tips are blueberries?
Those are blueberries.
This one too?
Yep, that's our blueberries. And they're starting to turn green again. The stems are all turning green. So we're going to be getting, probably put some bird netting on that real soon. To keep the birds from getting it.
Did you guys eat the blueberries?
We ate the blueberries last year. All that the birds didn't eat, we ate. So hopefully we'll get to eat some this year. Well, this is TJ.
But there's none growing.
Not yet, but they're coming. It's still early. This is TJ from Fat Boys Garden. And Mr. Tyler Sanders doing the floss.
No, this isn't the floss.
What is it called?
I can't remember the name, but I can't exactly describe it either.
Okay. Well, say bye.
I can't.
Say bye-bye.